When the hit reality series Below Deck first set sail, it didn't just capture high seas drama. It created a new blueprint for luxury tourism in unexpected destinations. The show's producers knew viewers would become obsessed with the yacht's glamorous ports of call, so they strategically booked a season in Croatia's picturesque Korčula Island, then quietly reached out to local hotels. Within months, villa rentals that once sat empty were fully booked, as fans flocked to replicate the star's opulent experience. This wasn't organic growth, it was product placement for an entire region. The Friends effect had an even darker twist. While the iconic 90s sitcom didn't make New York City itself touristy, it did make the apartments featured on the show unlivable for locals. The building at 49 Grove Street saw rents triple after the show's global success. Residents were unceremoniously evicted as landlords cashed in, subletting to tourists desperate to sit on Monica's purple chair, a prop that didn't even exist on the actual building's exterior. The real victims, beloved neighborhood coffee shops, now overrun by selfie-seeking fans who couldn't afford the area's new, inflated prices. Perhaps the most unsettling trend is the reality TV pilgrimage. After Survivor filmed in the Philippine province of Caramoan, local fisheries faced total collapse. Producers had hired 400 crew members, setting up a temporary deserted island base that diverted water from community wells, imported non-biodegradable waste, and left behind structures that spoiled the local fishing grounds. Then came the tourism boom, as fans flocked to experience the authentic reality TV setting. Local food prices skyrocketed, forcing fisher families to sell their boats. The deserted island now has a permanent population of resort staff. Even cooking shows have had dark, unforeseen consequences. When MasterChef featured a rare Cambodian pepper, farmers soon faced an onslaught of pepper tourism. Tourists now descend on remote plantations, trampling crops to capture the journey for social media. The traditional sharing economy has been replaced by paper entry gates, and some plantations even hire actors to perform authentic harvesting for visitors. The pepper's price tripled, but the farmers who grew it for generations were pushed out by opportunistic speculators. The final, unsettling twist: reality TV doesn't just film locations, it engineers them. Producers intentionally scout under-the-radar spots, sign exclusivity deals with local councils, then strategically leak the locations to media. The resulting tourism surge is calculated to maximize season-long bookings for hotels owned by the production company's affiliates. In other words, the hidden gem was never really hidden at all. It was planted all along.